here we are sitting with beautiful Anais Filio. As we said, Path of Vision meets Als Marmarei. And as you just saw, again, the beautiful view of the Aegean Sea, but there is much more of very important information considering and concerning Als Marmarei. So let's hear more about it. Filio, what is the meaning of Als Marmarei?
Als Marmarei in ancient Greek, in Homeric language, means the sparkling sea. And this is what you have when the sun, we are in front of the east, so when the sun rises and goes up to the sky, we have really a sparkling sea all around us, and 14 Cycladic islands that goes everywhere, and just in front of us, very in the front, there is Delos and the sacred couple that emerged long time ago. So it's very inspiring to see all these ancient myths that go around and have a sensation.
Beautiful. What was the reason that you started with Als Marmarei exactly here? Was it a calling of your soul?
Exactly. It was something that comes from above, and you meet it on the earth.
Nice.
And so we started building it with trying to. It's magic. Everything is magic. So we tried to build it in according to the Feng Shui principles. And so you have the sensation here that is a very embracing place. So you feel really like home. This is what we would like to do. And all these 10 years that we're running Als Marmarei, we have this feedback that the people that come here feel that like home.
Well, concerning and considering the fact that you're all alone, only with the heavens and the island, it's more than just like being at home. What is important to know about the island of Kea?
The island of Kea is really a magic island too, because it's not touristy. It's not like other Cycladic islands. It is the door for Cyclades. It's very close to Athens. It's only 1 hour from the Athens airport. That means 1 hour by ferry, and then half an hour to go to the airport. That means 1.5 hours from the airport. It's very close, but it's not touristy, because it used to be a place of exile since the Roman times. And so it was the intellectuals first that came here in the late 70s, beginning 80s, to start all this movement towards the islands. And this island is very heavy of myths. There is a lot of strength, a powerful island, because it's one of the greenest Cycladic islands. You see, you have the impression that the Cycladic islands, you say it's white, blue, and the rock, okay, the sea, the sun, the sand. Kea, and we have Kea, it's very green. We have the Brazilian oaks. It's the oaks that is eatable. I mean, it's you can eat it, and it's this was the alimentation of the people before the Greeks came. It's Pelasgi, Proelines. That is a very old place. And the myth of the island, the symbol of the island, is the lion. That is symbolizes the male power that came a certain period here with the Greeks, and chased the nymphs that were the priestess of the waters. The island were full of water. It was it's called Idrusa, and the nymphs were with their priest Silinos, the son of the moon, and the nymphs where, I mean, worshipping together the elements of the nature at this period of prehistoric period. We have also two very interesting pre-archaeological sites, prehistoric, in Aierini and Kefala, but we have a bijou, a jewel of the archaeological site. It's more recent. It's ancient Carthea, one of the four towns of the period, of the archaic period, that may remain alive till the Roman times. We have the temples of Athena in Poland, and we got the prize of European of the Europe rebuilding the ancient theater. It's very, very nice.
So, people, as you can see, there is a lot to re-see actually on this island, and to discover and to feel. And once again, as you can hear, you hear nothing besides us talking right now. There is the ocean, the wind, the sun, so we are totally inside the elements of life, and nothing else. No streets, nothing. This is also very special because we are planning 4 different retreats here at this beautiful Als Marmarei, together with some other surprises in the following years. So, dear friends, keep in touch, keep connected with Path of Vision. Again, you will see the link of the website underneath this video. Stay tuned. Dear Anais Filio, thank you very much for all these informations, and we are really looking forward to welcome all the people next year, right?
I thank you for coming. It's really a great pleasure to have you here and have spiritual things, events that take place here in this place that is also linked with the myth of Sirius. It's something that the occult worship of Sirius that used to be also in ancient Egypt.
Amazing. Thank you very much. So we invite you, come and join, and see you soon, hopefully. Blessings.
Bye.